Sure. So, I began my remarks this afternoon by saying, I'd been in that area of Erbil only yesterday. I was driving back from Correct Mountains, and so I was shocked by just how close it is to civilian centers and how dangerous that could have been. The attacks really put thousands of civilians in harm's way. And so this morning I put out a post on social media condemning the attack, and particularly because it really threatened the lives of so many people here. Since then, of course, Iran has claimed responsibility for that attack. And what I would say is that at the time this morning I said that attack can never be justifiable. And I've heard lots of reasons as to why that attack has happened, whether it's in retaliation or response to IRGC attacks in Syria, attacks on the IRGC in Syria, or government formation processes. And it's irrelevant. 12 to 16 long-range ballistic missiles fired at an urban center is unjustifiable, and Canada condemns it. Thank you.